How to change bank account on WeBull. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your bank account or how you can switch your account, unlink the current one and link a new one on WeBull. Well, I tell you, the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is you'll have to open up your WeBull application. Now, if you're eligible for your trading here, then you'll get a little WeBull logo at the bottom of your screen right here where I'm showing the touch. Here you'll find the WeBull logo, and if you have already connected your account there, if you tap on it, you'll be able to see there your list, and there what you want to do is you want to tap on the dollar or your currency that shows up there. You just want to tap on it, and once you tap on it there, then it'll link you or it'll prompt you to your bank account page where you'll find the unlink option. You want to simply tap on the unlink or the delete option there, and once you do so there, what you want to do is you just want to unlink it. You'll have to tap on the delete icon at the top right corner of your screen once you open up your bank account settings, and once you do so, you'll be able to add another one through there as well. So this way you can unlink your bank account and link a new one on WeBull. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.